Everyone just woke up and just want to share a product with you that Ruby and I use. It's called Luxeslim Beauty Cantaloupe Melon. So this is Beauty Smoothie. I don't use it obviously for the beauty because it's not really there. I did a review on the cafe macchiato, which I'll put it up here. But this one actually tastes a lot better than cafe macchiato. So hopefully this video helps you on the benefits of this particular product by Luxeslim. And off the bat, tastes really great. And I'm just gonna go deeper into the benefits, the pros and cons, and what I have found it to be useful for, or how it benefits me, and hopefully it can benefit you. This video is for people who are trying to lose weight without having the bathroom trips. With that being said, let's get going with the review. Once again, this is a Beauty Smoothie and Cantaloupe Melon. It is a healthy and beauty drink that combines powerful properties of hydrolyzed marine collagen, glutathione, Garcinia cambogia, and L-carnitine, loaded with natural whitening and slimming ingredients. Beauty Smoothie helps strengthen the body against free radicals, that's from the green tea, lighten skin tone, which I don't really care about getting lighter, but for, you know, here in the Philippines, it's very popular to get lighter, unfortunately, or fortunately, you know, that's like a contentious topic, and promotes younger looking skin, which I'm always for. So Ruby and I are in our 40s, so we're really focused on looking the best we can at our age as we get up there in years. This Beauty Smoothie is a perfect healthy choice for anyone who cares about their skin and wants to be as healthy as possible. So there's a lot of ingredients in here that can really help you in your goal for weight loss, as well as good for your skin, and so many other things that are in here. At the end of the day, it tastes great for me. I don't have the cafe macchiato anymore. I'm gonna put the link over here, but I've been doing this, and to be honest with you, from 1 to 10, this is a 10 when it comes to taste. Another thing is that it does not put you into the bathroom or have regular bathroom trips, which I'm always concerned of, because, you know, I'm out all the time. And me personally, I don't know about you, comment down below. I don't like using public bathrooms when especially when it comes to number 2. I don't like it. So I try my best to not take products that will put me there. So I found that this one does not do that for me. Now, off the top, this is what it has. Hydrolyzed marine collagen, which is better than bovine from what I hear. Cantaloupe melon, honeydew melon, reduced L-glutathione, good for the skin here. And allegedly for the liver as well. Almond milk, which is great. Stevia, which is good. Peach, banana, lemon, L-carnitine, green tea, Garcinia cambogia, and grapeseed, which are all I know have great characteristics for weight loss, food suppression. I love the green tea. How I prepare is 4 scoops in a regular cup, so similar to this right here. I'm gonna put 4 scoops in here, put in water. I try to drink it like lukewarm a little bit, and then from there, drink it straight up, and I only do once a day. This you can store regularly in the cupboards on the side there, and I'll show you where my little station is for my teas to kind of give you a sneak peek of what Ruby and I, how much tea we drink, how much we drink of things. What it looks like, that's what it looks like right there. So technically it looks like the color of like cantaloupe, honestly. So let me focus in on there. So what it'll come with a little measuring spoon right here, right? So we're gonna put in the cup 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, Ruby and I have a little station here with teas. We rarely drink coffee now. This one more for guests, and a little bit more so dandelion, mushroom. I mix it with a half, like mostly half of like cold, or maybe 2/3 of cold, and then I put in some of that warm water in there. I put it to that level right there. I put it in a little bit here, and I don't press it all the way, because I don't want it to like that. That's gonna happen. If you don't have this, a spoon will suffice. So I just gently do it, roll it in there, and we're gonna mix it in. It's very creamy. If you can imagine biting into a really sweet or a moderately sweet cantaloupe or honeydew, that's the taste it gives. You are gonna taste a very melon taste. If you're into that flavor, if your palate likes that, if you're into that shake type thing, this might be for you. I don't add any more than what is prescribed on there. As much as I want to drink it, as you know, throughout the day, I don't really know. But this right here, the 4 tablespoons, or the prescribed, you know, like what's suggested, never puts me in the bathroom. Like some products I've tried where it's like literally like a weekend. It's a weekend type of a situation, which this doesn't give it to me. So once again, this is the Luxeslim Cantaloupe Melon Smoothie. You can pick it up locally in the Philippines here, but I just wanted to give you more of a point of view from maybe an American point of view, and even mga Bisaya diya. So you know, ganahan mo palitan eh. Really good. I appreciate it for the taste, and honestly, I've maintained my weight to some degree. Like, never really goes up. I have to actually, me personally, I have to go to the gym and start lifting a bit more heavier to maintain a little bit of my muscle or whatever I have left, or gain some and lose weight at the same time. So, bottoms up, take care, and God bless. And if you ever want to be a part of the podcast, the links are going to be down below. If you want to be a guest, I want to interview you. If you want some form of consultation, whether it's life, business, in the world of managing people, if you're a new manager trying to get into the world of managing, or getting into the world of managing, recently promoted, let me know, comment down below. I'm going to put my Popple or my link tree in here so you can see the services that I offer, and hopefully I can give you some value and help you at the same time. It could be, I've helped people with YouTube content creation, how to lay out and strategize for their channel, life coaching stuff as well, just trying to be an accountable coach or accountability coach. So I've done a lot of things for many people, so I'm at that mode where I just want to help and, you know, see what I can do for people in general. So take care, bottoms up, and God bless. Bye-bye.